having friends na sinama ko sa negosyo, pero just because of business, money, pagkakaibigan talaga na matatapos doon. My message to my younger self is choose your friends wisely. Because I believe at my age now, naniniwala ako ng good friends ay good for your health. Kung yung mga tao sa paligid mo ay sinusuportahan ka all the time, might be good or bad situations, they are your people. And with the current scenario ngayon sa social media, yung mga akala natin kaibigan natin, akala lang pala natin yon. So, dapat ngayon pa lang or as early as you can, choose your friends wisely. Because I believe in the power of surrounding yourself with good people. Ang daming pwedeng mangyari sa'yo na maganda if you are surrounded by good people. And just what happened to me a few years ago I thought of having friends na sinama ko sa negosyo, pero just because of business and money, may mga pagkakaibigan talaga na matatapos doon. So, yun ang advice ko sa inyo, choose your friends wisely. Advice ko pala sa sarili ko yun. Okay.